Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Diksha, and today we will be dealing with the topic that what can be the consequences if the olfactory nerves get damaged. Okay, so हम उन conditions की बात करेंगे which may occur due to the damage of the olfactory nerves. So first of all, let's move on to the first condition. The first condition is insomnia. Insomnia I'm sorry, anosmia. Anosmia, it is a partial or complete loss of smell, loss of olfactory fibers with aging. Uh, तो इंसोम्निया में क्या एनोस्मिया में क्या होगा, पार्शियल या कंप्लीट लॉस हो जाएगा स्मेल का एंड एजिंग के साथ दिस लॉस ऑफ olfactory fibers occur. So what are the causes which may lead to anosmia? Actually, anosmia is frequently caused by a swelling or blockage in the nose that prevents odor from getting to the top of the nose. जैसे कि in this picture we can see कि these are concas. These are we have read about nasal concas. These are superior and nasal concha and middle nasal concas. एंड यहाँ पे कॉन्काज में पॉलिप्स का डेवलपमेंट हो गया है जिसकी वजह से दीज आर पॉलिप्स विच एक्ट्स एज एन ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन इन द वे दैट ओडर कैन रीच अप टू द टॉप ऑफ द नोज. ठीक है, मतलब कि एनोस्मिया में कोई भी ऐसी स्वेलिंग हो सकती है जैसे पॉलिप्स के फॉर्म में हो गई, या कोई भी ब्लॉकेज हो सकता है नोज में जो कि प्रिवेंट करेगा ओडर फ्रॉम गेटिंग इनटू द टॉप ऑफ द नोज. ओके, उसके बाद any tumor, for example meningioma, in the floor of the anterior cranial fossa may compress the olfactory bulb. Okay, so olfactory bulb which are present over here, तो हो सकता है कि कोई ट्यूमर हो गया है या फिर कोई मेनिंजियोमा, इट इज अ ट्यूमर जो कि एंटीरियर क्रेनियल फोसा में है, which may compress the olfactory bulb and the tract, and that will cause the loss of smell to the same side only. Okay, so olfactory bulb में जब ट्यूमर होगा या olfactory bulb में किसी भी ट्यूमर की वजह से अगर olfactory bulb का compression होगा तो loss of smell of the same side will be there. This is the important point कि same side का loss of smell will be there. Okay, so it is therefore important to test for the sense of smell through each nostrils. अब ये each nostrils क्यों? Because there will be loss of smell through the same side only. इसीलिए हमें अगर test for the sense of smell करना है, so we will check through each nostrils. Okay, let's moving to our second condition. The condition number 2 is maybe problem in the nasal cavity leading to rhinitis. हो सकता है nasal cavity में problem हो, तो rhinitis हो सकती है उससे. Allergic rhinitis cause temporary olfactory impairment. So allergy rhinitis के कारण there will be temporary loss of the olfactory sense of smelling. Okay, moving to condition number 3. Condition number 3 is maybe more difficult problem may be there as a sphenoid body or hypophysis problem. इसमें हो सकता है कि हमारा जो hypophysis है that has increased in size. Okay, और अगर hypophysis suppose increase हो गया size में तो it will compress the olfactory tract, and उस compression की वजह से problems may appear. Okay, so let's move into our fourth condition. Fourth condition, it is widely known as uh, CSF rhinorrhea. CSF rhinorrhea. Okay, CSF rhinorrhea होता क्या है इसमें, अगर कोई हेड इंजरी हो गई, इन केस ऑफ एनी हेड इंजरी, so leading to CSF leakage through the nose. So in this picture we can see like there will be CSF leakage through the nose अगर कोई हेड इंजरी हो गई, एंड उस इंजरी के कारण ड्यू टू फ्रैक्चर ऑफ क्रिबिफॉर्म प्लेट, सपोज अगर कोई हमें हेड इंजरी हुई और इवन अगर नोज इंजरी हुई और उस केस में हमारा क्रिबिफॉर्म प्लेट जो है वो फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है, सो olfactory bulb जो होगा that is attack olfactory bulb. Okay, and there is a connection between olfactory bulb and olfactory nerve. So जो कनेक्शन है that will be torn away, that will be वो टूट जाएगा. And as these passes through the fractured cribriform plate of ethmoid bone leading to anosmia. Okay, so such a fracture may also cause CSF rhinorrhea, that is CSF leakage through the nose. Okay. Okay. And last condition is uncinate fits. Uncinate fits क्या होता है? It is a form of temporal lobe epilepsy in which hallucinations of taste and smells arises. Okay, so that food is not there, वो food है भी नहीं, but we are having hallucinations of that taste or smells. Hallucinations क्यों आ रहे हैं? क्योंकि earlier might we have tasted that food, तो हमारे I mean कहीं ना कहीं ब्रेन में that sense of taste or smell is there, but present अभी वो food हमारे पास नहीं है, but hallucinations हो रही हैं. So that condition is called uncinate fits, a temporal loss in which hallucinations of taste and smell and inappropriate chewing movements are prominent features. So these are all important and important conditions which may arise due to the damage of olfactory nerves. First one is insomnia, second one was rhinitis, third we talked about if hyposphysis may increase in size, it may compress the olfactory tract. Fourth, we talked about CSF rhinorrhea, and fifth, we talked about uncinate fits. So this is all about today. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and always keep smiling. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.